Alright, so I just replaced the engine in this thing. We're about to go take it for a test drive. Alright, here we go. Power it up real quick. You can see the mileage on this thing when it failed. I actually got a short. I'm tearing this engine apart. That's all I got for that. But yeah, 26,000 miles. That's not very it's not a very long ways before you have engine failure. I'm not surprised though, because these things fail anywhere in between like 5 miles and 90,000 miles, and sometimes they come taken right off the truck too, delivery truck. So we're gonna get going here. Oh. All right, here we go. I'm hoping to make it back. You know, I haven't had one of these fail on me after I installed it, but the other guy has. I was all the way out in the boons here where I'm about to go. It's about a 12-mile drive. And yeah, this video is basically going to be me talking. So, all right, here we go. It's like a 2-minute drive to get to freaking nowhere. Looks like everyone's leaving at the same time. All 5 of us. Get down to the turnaround point. Turn around. Yeah, when I tell you to live out in the middle of nowhere, like, that's it. Like, there ain't nothing out here. There's a lot to be desired, though. There's no Bojangles. I'm at the turnaround point. Freaking God, you gotta be kidding me. You hear that? Oh, okay, I'm gonna head back. This is crazy. Like a rod lifter. But I'm not getting any misfires or anything. I don't feel anything anyway. These things naturally run a little rough, but you can tell the difference between a misfire and a natural rough running. Uh-oh. I was gonna cap it there. I think I just drove by another one of our inventory that's was on the side of the road. This is a 6.2. Yeah. Yep. I got nothing else to say. I mean, should probably turn around and go check on him. All right, I made it back. Heck yeah. Running fine. I don't feel anything crazy going on now. The other truck was good. It was the salesman, so I just didn't disturb that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna cut it here again for the 3rd time. So thanks for watching. Yeah, so I popped the hood and used a stethoscope on all the things. The engine sounded normal all across, sounded the same. So I was like, I don't know why it's so loud out in that spot, because there's nothing out there but the wind. Yeah, the engine's fine. I'm shipping it.